For our next program, we have 1.2.4, the shorter dashed line. So some of the new commands that we have learned are not just the forward and the circle, but now we have the backward, and we have the pin up and the pin down. And if you need a refresher on any of those, go back and watch the video again. Go look at the practice assignments, or you can go here and look at the docs. What we're having to do here is write a program that will have Tracy draw a dashed line across the x-axis. Make sure that Tracy starts at the left side of the canvas. Lines are 50 pixels long, and the space between the lines is 50 pixels. It even gives us a hint. The entire canvas width is 400 pixels. So to figure out how many times Tracy will need to repeat these commands, divide the width by how far Tracy has moved to draw the first dash and space. So let's go here. This is what we're trying to get, but this is where we're at. So first of all, we need to get all the way over to here. Now we know that all the way across is 400. And we're already halfway. So how far is it to get the other half? Well, that's going to be 200. So if I go here, I'm going to say backward 200. There's a problem though. When I run this program, you see it actually draws that line. I don't want it to draw the line until I'm ready to actually start running the program. So before backward, I'm going to include pin up. And after the backward, I'm going to put pin down. Now when I run that program, boom, it now moves all the way back without drawing a line, and it's ready to draw our program. So we want to draw a line that is 50 pixels long. So I need to go forward 50. 50. Then I need to have a space that is 50. Well, since I'm doing a space, that means I need a pin up, another forward 50, and then a pin down. So if I run this program, it goes back and it does my first line. Now I need to go all the way across. So one movement here is 100 pixels. And I know that all the way across is 400 pixels. So that means I need to do this 4 more times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the forward, pin up, forward, pin down. I'm going to hit Control C, which is copy, Control V, which is paste. This will give me 2 lines. Okay. Now I'm going to hit Control V, paste. Now I have 3 lines. And I'm going to hit Enter, Control V again. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And my finished picture here looks just like what my finished design looks. I can now go to check code. I have all my green check marks. I've hit my goal. So remember what we went over here was the pin ups and the pin downs, the backwards, and being able to forward. That is 1.2.4, shorter dashed line.